Hi everyone, hope you all are good, doing well. Welcome to our channel Maple Garments and Tailors. I'm your host and I'm excited to share this tutorial with you today. So this is about upcycling of cloths. So today's video is about the old dupattas. Don't throw away the old dupattas. We are going to use the old dupattas to make something new and exciting. So let's start the video. So here I'm cutting a little baby frock with an old dupatta. You can see the pattern. So here is the cutting pattern. You can see what I'm gonna make today, how I cut this. So let's start stitching. First of all, take those frills and now make some gathering stitches to make a neat and beautiful frill. Then this is attach it with the frock shoulder. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel for more exciting videos, tutorials and tips. If you have any question or request, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you. So now you can see the frills are ready from both sides. Now let's sew its neck. Let's take a strip like this, fold it and sew it with this. So here use a simple running stitch and sew it carefully. This is almost complete. This was an old dupatta, so I was about to throw it. Then I thought, let's make something new and exciting with this dupatta. So I decided to make a baby frock, a little baby frock with this dupatta. So you will see the look of this frock at the end. This is perfect for summer. Nowadays here is a summer season in Canada. So this is a perfect idea if you know stitching. So you can see neck is almost ready. Now we will sew this inside and this will be ready. Now take the lower part of the frock and sew it from the side. Now take the lining, sew it as well from the sides, both sides. Then we will make some gathering stitches. On both lining and the lower part of the frock. We'll fold the lining like this there's border on the bottom of the frock, so we don't need to fold that. We're gonna use that border. You can see the neatness and stitches are clear and beautiful. Now make some gather stitches. Now we'll pull the thread. If you want to learn anything about baby dresses, girls dresses, baby boys dresses, any kind of dress, you can comment below the video. So I will teach you step by step how to do stitching. So let's continue the stitching. Turn it, insert from the sides. You can see the upper side of the frock is almost ready. Please watch this video and comment below how I made this. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Comment and give your review about this baby girl frock. This is looking so cute and beautiful for summer season. This is perfect lightweight. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.